10 years ago, our respected CEO, Mr. S.S. Srijit, took the path that is less traveled, pioneering the field of logistics and supply chain management in Kerala at a time when very few even dared to envision it. To walk us through this remarkable journey and to formally welcome you all to today's program, I now have the honor of inviting a dynamic game changer, a guiding light in the field of education, and the cornerstone of GIM's continued success and innovation, Mr. S.S. Srijit, the Chief Executive Director of GIMS. Welcome you, sir.
Respected panelists for the discussions, associates of GIMS from World University Consortium and Logistics Sector Skill Council, our team members of GIMS Cochin and GIMS Trivandrum, distinguished delegates from the logistics industry, invited guests, esteemed media partners, various associates of GIMS, and dear students, a very warm good morning to you all. Today we gather here on this delightful occasion to celebrate a milestone that fills us with gratitude and joy. 10 remarkable years of GIM's service in creating logistics professionals. Since the discussions of establishing a specialized logistics institution began in 2014, sparked by the inspiration and guidance of Dr. Gary Jacobs, our mentor, we have reached certain milestones. With the shared vision of creating a business or management institution, I teamed up with my friend and classmate, Mr. Matthew Abraham, and our mutual friend, Mr. Tom Joss, to bring GIMS into reality. Our original team of 10 passionate individuals included the former ISRO Director, Dr. M.S.R. Dev, the late Mr. Daniel John, former principal of SRV School, and Mr. Mohammad Mohaiddin, a seasoned veteran with 24 years of experience in Jebel Ali Port, Abu Dhabi. An important moment in our journey was the association with Mr. K.V. Mahidhar, the head of Confederation of India Industries, Institute of Logistics, and later on with the Professor S. Ganeshan, Head of Educational Initiatives of Logistics Sector Skill Council. Their support fortified our commitment to specialize in logistics and supply chain management training. Looking back, our decision of choosing the field of logistics to create a management training institution helped us in becoming pioneers in Kerala in this field, a decision that propelled GIM's growth significantly. When GIMS opened the operations in Cochin, the logistics field in our society lacked the structure and prominence it holds today. Although the sector was vast, it wasn't as organized in India as it was in more developed nations. Now in 2025, the landscape has transformed dramatically. Nation is now dedicated to building an efficient and effective logistics infrastructure. Initiatives like Gati Shakti aim to seamlessly connect seaports, airports, highways, container freight terminals, and warehousing facilities. Almost all major international logistics players are now fully operational in India. And this shift has reshaped the human resources landscape, creating a high demand for highly qualified professionals, even for the entry-level positions. Leading global companies such as MSC, CMA CGM, Kuehne+Nagel, Maersk, DHL or Hapag-Lloyd have been actively recruiting fresh graduates in significant numbers, particularly for their back-end operations. This trend is not only indicative of the industry's growth, but also reflects the broader economic and social developments within India. The story of GIMS as a logistics institution is very much in tune with this existing social aspirations and national developments. The institution's journey mirrors the dreams and the developmental trajectory of the nation. From its modest beginnings, GIMS has expanded its reach, growing from training 100 students to accommodating 600 students annually across its Cochin and Trivandrum campuses. Our influence also spreads through 4 extension centers: Palakkad, Perumbavoor, Kodamangalam, and Kanyakumari. Over the past decade, institution has recognized the vastness of career opportunities within the logistics sector. Opportunities that are continuously expanding. It is much bigger than what we normally think. Our corporate relations team has impressively facilitated over 1,500 job openings annually for the past 3 years. The key challenge lies in equipping students to meet and exceed the company expectations. With a vision to increase our capacity, we are ambitiously planning to expand our Cochin campus and centers to train 1,000 students annually in the near future. Achieving this goal requires a resilient ecosystem. With this ecosystem we refer just not job opportunities, but to a comprehensive network encompassing academics and industry experts. These connections are vital for developing a curriculum that evolves with industry standards. Our committed team actively promotes logistics and supply chain management courses to a broader audience. To train 4,000 students in last 10 years, we met more than 1 lakh students. Also, our team maintains strong links with the HR departments to secure internships and job placements for our students. Our greatest achievement over the last decade is establishing this platform aligned with certain standards of logistics training. This foundation enables us to reach and maintain a leading position in the field, preparing the next generation of logistics professionals. As we look to the future, GIMS is committed to expanding its horizons, providing a quality education, and creating an impactful difference in the lives of students. We are celebrating this 10th anniversary with a vibrant series of discussions and cultural events. This morning, we will delve into the significance of value-based education, exploring the impact on nurturing quality professionals of tomorrow. This afternoon brings an insightful discussion on Kerala's emergence as an important logistics hub, highlighting the state's strategic advantages and opportunities in the global markets. It is an honor and pleasure to extend a warm welcome on behalf of the entire GIMS family to our esteemed panelists, distinguished dignitaries, dedicated staff team, and enthusiastic students. Your presence today underscores the collective spirit and shared vision that have driven our journey over the past decade. Enjoy the day of learning, networking, and collaboration, and also the celebration. You are all part of GIMS' thriving community, and together we look forward to the next decade of excellence and innovation. Welcome to you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for those inspiring words and for taking us to the milestones that reflect the heart and soul of GIMS.